Right, this is your sign kit for your freeze out / heat out fixture. It's a 3-sided fixture, so you've got a nice 3-sided matching sign kit to go with it. You'll get 3 panels that are reversible. One side has freeze out, one side has heat out, and you get 3 flexible corner pieces with which to attach the 3 panels together. These are a grip fit mechanism, so they're very easy to put together. It's easier to assemble this on the floor and then install it onto your fixture once it's put together. So we've got this 3-sided sign fixture put together. I want to lift this up and put it right over our fixture. Your top row of hooks are there for the sign to rest on. Keeps it from sliding down. Make sure you want to use the appropriate side if it's heat out or freeze out for the material, that the product, the merchandise that's on that side of the fixture.